This is live. This is not a test mode. I was actually using my card to complete this payment. How much time and money do you need to create a functional app with everything in it, connected to a database and able to accept payments? Some say half a year, a team of developers and a budget of $500,000. Others say that with AI, it's more like a month or even 2 weeks. I'm going to try to build a complete SaaS platform, a working application in just 10-20 minutes. Right now. With the new tools and features on DeepAgent, this should be possible. Let's actually test it. Let's see if creating a working SaaS tool is as easy as it looks. If you have a ChatLM subscription, DeepAgent Basic is included. If you don't, it's just $10 a month. Let's create something awesome. Let's dive deep. I'm on DeepAgent and I'm building a SaaS. Let's try to create a unique finance and investing news and tips publication. Here's my prompt. Build a production-ready SaaS. Integrate Stripe for subscriptions so users can pay for access. The agent asks for clarification and I answer. I have provided everything it needs. The flow is familiar, but now DeepAgent is leveled up. It can build the app and wire it to Stripe for payments. It takes a bit of time. I've been waiting about 5 minutes. A lot of work has been executed and we are approaching the end. Look at this task count. That's serious. The good thing is I'm just watching. I'm not doing much. I'm just watching. So far, DeepAgent has built the core of my finance publication, SaaS, 5 long-form finance articles, a Next.js project scaffolded with auth, article pages, categories, and a dashboard, paywall, Stripe integrator with checkout and pricing pages, and a seeded database. Final testing of Stripe payments, full CMS editing and deployment are still in progress. Now the cool part, the agent needs my Stripe API keys. I paste my Stripe publishable key and secret key. DeepAgent is happy and finishes the Stripe setup including webhooks. A little more waiting and the web app is ready. Here's the preview. I open an article and hit the paywall. Time to deploy. Deployed URL is live. I can sign up and sign in. I create an account and log in. I open another article. I can read one more for free. Perfect. Now I am prompted to upgrade. Let's do that. Upgrade to premium and I enter my card and complete the subscription. This is live. This is not a test mode. I was actually using my card to complete this payment. And that, my friends, is a clean ending for this video. It looks like I found one of the best, most affordable platforms for any MVP. Yes, if you have an idea and want to test it and want to see how far it can scale, $10 a month on ChatLM with DeepAgent Plus, about 20 minutes gets you an app that can test your idea and collect payments. All you need is 20 minutes of your time and $10. That's it. It's that easy now, and it's possible because of platforms like DeepAgent. I hope this tutorial was useful. Let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the comment section. And I'm done for now, and I will talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.